Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today again some work has been done in my basement, and overall today was I instead 12th day of the construction work that's going on. So I'm going to show you the progress today, what progress they have done, and I'll show you many other things. So it seems today they left their ladder here. Yeah, they are coming tomorrow. Tomorrow is the inspection for structure framing. Okay, now today some major things have been done. First of all, they have cleaned this washroom area. Okay, and as you see, they have sealed it with cement. Right now, that's gonna be the bathtub, that's gonna be the commode. So they have created the base for here. All right, plumbing connections had been done already, no problem with that. But the major thing they did today was removal of this door. You see here, it used to be a door here. Okay, all right, it's not there anymore because as per the design that door had to be removed. So that door is removed, and tomorrow at the time of inspection it will be shown as completed, no doubt. And they have done some more framing work over here. I should give you some closure view. I got to be very careful, lot of nails and all are on the floor. So they applied this, I don't know what it is called, and they have done everywhere. Okay, that they have been doing perfect. And yeah, this had come today. I mean, still probably they are gonna do after the inspection. And yes, some cleaning work they have done, and materials for here like vanity tiles, those materials have arrived, and they will be installed after the inspection tomorrow. As per my conversation with them, the next stage is going to be drywall. Drywalls are already here. So once the inspection for structure framing is passed, hopefully it will be for tomorrow, because still now even after some small hiccups, things are going smooth. Now they will take all this stuff from here. Then I will have fridge here, stove here, as you see, range, and other things. Yeah, they have the plans ready already. All these things are there, and some lights are gonna be here, that you can see the base is already there. That's good. Laundry is going on as of now. This is temporary. We'll have an in-suit laundry upstairs too later, because that is also part of the progress. So all things are going smooth now, and I'm hoping the best for tomorrow. This is the door that they has removed, and then they will seal that area later on with plaster. So thanks for watching this video guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.